Someone call American Idol. We have a new contestant.
Hey, son, come on. Come on.
Doggo is a tough guy until the cone.
Oh.
Hey guys.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind.
Welcome back to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today we're diving into the adorable world of giant dogs who refuse to grow up.
Hey. 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 Come on, buddy. What are you doing? What are you doing, buddy?
Hey, yo, I'm allowed to go out sometimes.
The bigger the dog, the smaller your personal space.
Aria.
Rosie. Oh my god.
A German Shepherd dog.
What are you?
A German Shepherd dog.
What are you doing? We have to leave. You need to get out. Now, come on. You gotta get out.
Zoom, hydrate, repeat. He's running on a loop like in a video game.
Tutti uguali, tutti uguali. Si baci, belli baci, belli baci, belli baci, belli baci, baci, baci.
Let me stay. Sit. Let me stop.
Where are you?
Big dog, big love. Grandma's got her priorities straight.
Tu vai derrubar. Samir, já juro sonho.
Folding the sheet? More like summoning the chaos demon.
Break. Oh, what do you gotta catch those? You gotta catch those. You're happy. You stole a stick. He's peeing. We're in.
Porque que un perro comiendo coquina, los looks más atrevidos triunfaron anoche en Nueva York en la cita más importante de...
Sneeze.
Copper, who do you prefer, mom or dad?
Puts you comfortably in control. Dog like soft juice.
This cat's about to start its own pool. I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind.
Oh no!
It's weird.
Oh, Bella, you're such a good girl.
Oh.
Nah. And Rodney. Was it you who done all this?
Style.
Did you do this? This is Vera Wang.
Who that is? She do nails? I need to get my nails did.
That's it. I'm calling.
When you were born with size, not agility.
Hi.
Dale una púa de Cora and one for Ruby.
This is Cinnamon. Say hi.
Let go of that. Oh. Ooh. Grim. Quit.
Do you want a cookie? Come on. Come on.
This dog knows his worth. Small cars are beneath him.
Come on, let's go. Yes. Oh, sorry. Let's go.
What are you doing?
That's the kind of hug that gets you through another 10 deadlines.
Come here. Yeah, there's a good girl. You know you want to.
Invited to the Met Gala.
How long does stuff take to air fry?
Yummies.
You have to go to bed. You have to get off the couch.
Come here.
Huh?
Shake, shake, shake. Good boy.
C'est pas mon chat.
What did you do?
Smurfs were here. Not these Danes. I repeat, Smurfs were here.
No, you guys.
What is that? Is that Coco?
It bit you, huh? It bit you, huh? It bit you.
The right candidates see your job posts and apply.
He's a strong, independent dog. Be like him.
Oh my god, do not jump on there. No. No. No!
We're home. Anybody home?
Bob.
Sheepdogs don't wear coats. I can't move.
진짜?
You gotta be gentle. Gotta take a bite. You gotta be gentle. Come on. Gentle.
Stop, 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 stop. Get out of my way.
Okay, give me 2 seconds.
Look at Luna.
Jesus.
You want to be in there? I told you.
In case anyone's wondering why I'm late to work.
Voy a pasar. Voy a pasar.
Dotty is a bridge. This way. Dotty. Dotty.
What?
Imagine a 911 call for a stuck rock.
You tell me which thing is not like the other, and I tell you.
What are you doing with that? Are you kidding me?
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Meant to be left in the past. I'm okay. I'm just used for goodness sake. No matter how beautiful they are.
Are you taking care of Graham?
With all the dignity that a dog can muster.
A chihuahua can.
A chihuahua can muster.
Mama.
When you stop petting your dog for half a second. My dog takes all day at the grooming salon. Just loves to cuddle.
Oh my god, you're so.
Dead. Dude. I tried to find my dwarf friend in the crowd. German Shepherds have a high mouth drive. Good luck, Matt.
Hello. Bijou. I got thrown off, so call me 45.
Odin, I have to tell you something important. My name is not Mommy. My name is Laura. I thought you should know.
Oh, we can dance. Oh, you're heavier than you used to be, you know? Stand straight.
Eu isto. Quem foi? Hã? Julie, quem é que roeu?
Rue. Rue.
Lumie.
Lumie. Lumie.
Our dog wasn't having it today.
Are you hungry? It's not time yet.
Home to our house. We have to go home.
You don't want to go home.
Show everybody your babies. You wanna go see your babies? Graham got new babies. Graham got new.
When it comes to snow exfoliation, Mother Nature has her back.
A peeping Tom if I can. I'll watch your whole family.
Tessa, стой, семьи! Оборзела, ну совсем. Очень удобно тебе, Тессочка, да?
In case anyone's wondering how gentlemen sit,
Ow. Ow. What are you doing?
Home to the cookies eaten. Did you eat the cookies, Wilma? Otis? Did you eat those cookies in the box? We know it.
pizza is almost gone. I wonder who did it. Who could have eaten the pizza? Was it Luna, was it?
Look who's suddenly become a shy Victorian lady on the trimming.
Stop barking at him. He is a veteran.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind.
No doubt, this is my boyfriend, but I'm mad at him.
It's Mama! She's afraid of Mom.
He has a 9 a.m. meeting. Hurry up, please.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Ayuda. Ayuda. Dame que soltar este empezó todo. A ver, a ver.
And toes, head, shoulders, knees.
Well, you should record that and put it on like American Funniest Videos to get money for it.
Go right ahead.
Huh?
You miss your mama? You miss your mama? Did you miss your mom? Oh, did you miss me? Did you miss your mama?
When you come in your room and you see that your dog has put a stuffed animal for her dad, one for me, and then Maisie has.
I want to stay
Hey,
next
do?
to you.
Do you know where I am, bud? Do.
Alright, go, Danny. Hey, hey! That was for par? Hey, that was going in.
Come on, dude. Veggie. Hey!
No.
What you doing, Murph? Did you steal Papa's hammer?
Do you want to try a piece of my homemade bread? Do you want to try, Peace?
3. His brain is basically 47 browser tabs open at once.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Bye. Wait, bye. Good.
Nugget.
You okay? You in your safe?
Well, I bet the landscaping department has gone rogue. That snack didn't stand a chance against his engineering degree. Great Dane. We always need to power up.
What kind of fur dog are you?
How my pup keeps his body slim all the time. He's been sentenced to solitude for trying to protect the house. Unfair! When a millennial hangs out with a Gen Z, the struggle is real.
Hey, man.
It's a snack, a spy, or just the universe testing my patience. Here comes the most dramatic food critic ever.
Did you wake her up?
This is a perfect example of impulse control. You did great, young lady.
We're all about your personal space, but this is Oreo. She has a whole seat with a blanket and a chew toy, and look where she's riding.
Avoid unnecessary drama. Order furniture for the holidays now at Smith. Get your $500 coupon.
It's get in the house. I have to go out. Come on. You stubborn husky. Get inside. You're such a...
咪咪，躺下。
Give me it, Snow. Snow, give me it. Give me it.
Well, too bad you're asleep. I guess I'll just have to eat these chips.
Kitty.
Space.
Personal space? Never heard of it.
Respect for personal space.
Huh?
Oh my gosh.
I love to get in sparkly dresses.
Someone was accidentally installed with the Forest Deer package.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
One lap, one spin, and suddenly the living room is an Olympic stadium.
Leave him alone. No. We're not talking.
This is a dog wig that we got for her Halloween costume, and she's just like serving so much.
Found the salad mermaid.
No. There's a no. It's a no. It's a no. No, no.
I don't think he's excited.
I think that was.
What is this?
What is this? What'd you do?
Steve, get off of the car. Now, get down. Get.
Oi, Julie. Hmm? Ay. Ay, ay, ay.
Let's get a little popo. Call the popo, ho. Call the popo.
Parkour!
This is me at work. Physically present, mentally buffering.
Okay, shaver.
Guess who's contemplating the socio-economic impact of the neighbor's pet, like...
Make sure she's not using claws.
I know. I don't think she is.
I'm using the bathroom. Chop. Chopper.
Serious? Stop it!
Who is most fun with you? Where'd you go? Peekaboo, I found you.
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. They were too busy.
You can't do it. Mm-hmm.
Go, let go.
Nagdirang naman, ganahan niya siya, Frank. Ganahan lagi yun. Kaya ganahan na. Kaya hindi man dagan-dagan. Bangon.
Domino's, cat. That cat is looking at me. There's a cat in.
I'm so hungry, I can eat a dog.
Warning, tail wag turbulence ahead.
Who do you love more, mommy or daddy? Daddy?
You doing the flea bites, OD?
Fiona.
Fiona, are you mad that we got a puppy? Fiona, are you ignoring me? Fiona?
Nope.
Gypsy, don't attack me this time. I just want to be friends. Oh my god, dude, why do you hate me so?
He's telling you to move.
Munchkin, so small-minded, no. Okay, watch this. You said to me, I say, you truly are a girl. You really are. Okay, good thing I covered that. Sat right on it. There it goes. Oh, my face feels good. You just wanted some love.
Hi, Sally. Hi, Sally. Making biscuits? Hey. Hi. Hello.
Él es rebelde. Él es rebelde.
¿Ella es rebelde?
Ella es rebelde. Yo no la veo problemática, la veo rebelde.
Oye,
contestona.
这叫做茶来伸手，饭来。
Oh, it's so good, Banksy. What you got there? What you do?
Yeah. What are you doing in here?
Alright, so I know how to get out with you.
What happened? Come here. Ben.
Хоть когда-то устает. Хоть когда-то устает.
He didn't just drop the ball, he engineered a launch sim.
What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing?
Yes! Speak! Speak! Speak!
Mommy. Oh, yeah.
Who needs home when grandma has infinite pets?
Happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that happy. Oh, the happy dog.
What's your name? What? What is your name? Tony! Tony! What?
Are you peeping? Hey, doing good day.
Your hearts. Sun, playtime and naps. The perfect doggy day in the garden.
What? He's covered in flour.
You know, best friends turn any seat into a love seat.
Well, they're wrong. I take videos too. You're welcome.
Luxury? No thanks. I prefer questionable life choices.
Coda! 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 Oh my.
What the dog doing?
Get it, Allie. Get it. The curling chick.
Sorry!
The dog just saw a person with better vibes and running skills. The time the furry actor didn't act.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Lucy. Really?
Hey!
Lacey!
Buddy, I gotta type. I have to type. Thank you, though. Why are you not letting me type?
Look at him. He's sucking it. He's sucking it.